Hello everyone, and welcome to our look, the powerful ALTRA Life Electric Meat Grinder for your kitchen. This machine features a copper motor that delivers up to 2,800 watts of max locked power. You can process 3 pounds of meat every minute to make prep work fast and incredibly efficient. It includes 3 grinding plates and special kits for making homemade sausages or delicious Kubbe at home. Use the handy reverse function to clear jams and rely on the built-in circuit breaker for safety. A large storage box keeps your blades and attachments organized so your kitchen stays neat and tidy. Simply detach the parts for easy cleaning to keep your heavy-duty mincer ready for every meal. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.